Hello, this is Senior Lee. Some audience used to tell me I need to say something in my video. So I'm going to try it today. A few days ago, I bought a jack pad for my floor jack. Why I buy this? Because this is thicker than the original jack pad for protection differential shell when I jack up the rear differential shell. The more rubber, the more protection. Let me attach it on my floor jack. Okay, let me unpackage it. Let's compare the two different jack pads. And maybe, as you can see, here's some problem with this. Did you see it? The new jack pad, the ridge is bigger than original. Not feel good. So I need to cut some edge to fit it. Okay, let me see it. I think I need to cut more. That's not sharp enough. So I need to cut more. Can you see it? It not fit good enough. Okay. Right here, cut, and cut. I have some idea. Yeah, let me trim it. Oh, that's hard. I need to trim it a little bit more. Okay, another try. As you can see, this is fit perfect. Right. The last thing, I have to apply some silicone to secure it. Whoop. Okay, press it. Press it down. I leave it at least 24 hours. Okay, I finished my job. So I leave it at least 24 hours. Let the silicone secure it. I can use it for the next maintenance. See you